even know how to start this off because this is going to be like the most laid back video probably ever. Guys, welcome back to another Mom Life with Shelby. Tonight I'm giving you an at-home facial. I'm going to do it myself at home. Lately, like, my skin has just been wreaking havoc, so I thought I would go to Pinterest and look up like the steps to do it at home, and it's really not that hard. It's just a lot of steps, and as long as you have everything, you can do it. So I'm just gonna go quickly through the products that I'm gonna be using through this facial, and then I'm going to go through as I'm doing it as well. So the first thing you're gonna need is just a cleanser for your face. I'm using the Mario Basque. It's just the, cleanser. So no scrubs to this, it's literally just a gel cleanser. And I'm also gonna be using a exfoliant. So I do have the St. Ives apricot scrub. Then I have a gold mask. It's a peel off mask, but it's gonna be great. Not sure what it's for. And then after that, you're actually gonna be using a sheet mask. So I have this sprinkle face mask. It's just a sheet mask. Any sheet mask will work. And then I also have a face moisturizer as well. So I'm just using Nivea. It's my favorite. 5 items you need for this facial, but it's gonna be worth it and your skin's gonna feel great, I hope, because my skin really needs some help. They do say after you steam your face, which I'll get into later, you can go through with like a blackhead remover. I don't have one of those, so I won't be doing that, but if you have one, that's a great time to do that and go through and get all your blackheads if you have any. So yeah, let's get into this facial. Don't forget to subscribe down below, like this video, and leave me a comment.
Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible?
So you just saw me steam my face, which basically was just putting boiling water in a bowl and putting my face in it, and then I did put my sweater over top just because I wanted it to get pretty penetrated. I was pretty hot after, and I don't know, my face just, it feels really tight right now because of all the washing. So I'm just gonna put on my gold mask now. It's a peel off one, which I'm a little bit nervous about because, oh my god, it's a giant bubble. What the fuck? Okay. I want to put this on semi-thick because I want it to peel off good, but oh my god, it's like a freaking gel. It's like a jelly. I don't know if this is old or if this is not supposed to be, but I swear to God. I feel like I did this wrong, but
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks.
okay, so I just got out of the bath and I am pretty curious about this mask. I just maybe feel like it needs a bit more time, so I'm gonna go get dressed and moisturize my body, come back and try to peel this thing off.
Ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud, because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't believe it.
Okay, so I have the peel mask all peeled off. It actually really hurt, so I didn't want to film that on camera because my face was in a lot of pain. I don't think I'll use that one ever again, but my face does feel really soft and sore. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my sheet mask, apply that. I'm gonna go relax in my room and just scroll on my phone for a little while that sits in, and then we'll be back to moisturize it all in and moisturize our face.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not.
So the sheet mask is all done, so I've just taken that off, and I'm just gonna go in with some moisturizer. I actually picked up a face roller from the dollar store, so it's in the fridge right now. I'm gonna run down and grab it and then try that out as well. I feel like I'm gonna be picking like that peel mask out of my eyebrow for weeks too. Okay, so we're just gonna roll the face, which is going to help with fine lines and wrinkles. It's also going to help all of the skin products that I've just put on get absorbed into my face, and it's gonna help just relax the skin. So this is it, and I'm definitely taking tips and tricks from those who have used these before, but I thought I would just try it myself. Oh, it's cold. Feels nice though.
I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
I don't know if I'm supposed to like press hard or not. So if somebody could let me know in the comments.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side. It makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my
So that was my take on a do-it-at-home facial, and I hope you guys enjoyed that and feel a little bit more relaxed or a little bit more motivated to go and do that yourself. My skin feels really nice. The roll at the end with the ice was really fun, and I just feel like I relaxed and did a little bit something for me, which I hope you go and do right now. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!